for a vacation. We went to Lachin and then to Lachu, and unfortunately we stuck there due to flood. And then we have been provided all the facilities from Indian Army and Sikkim government. All thanks to them. Because of them, we have been successfully rescued and reached to Gangtok, and they have provided all the support, all the facilities and amenities which we needed, along with the food and other facilities. All thanks to them, and a big thank you because we reached here safely and successfully.
We stuck since 4th of October. Since that day, as the Sikkim government as well as the Indian Army have supported throughout. They skipped their meal and providing us, even Lachung local people as well help us. They providing us the shelter, the food, and even when we required the midnight services, anything, at any time, वो लोग हमको दे रहे थे. So thanks to the Sikkim government and specifically thanks to Indian Army, 10 Jackline, so that we rescued safely, and already they have rescued earlier almost 600 people. And we are today, I guess, weather clear. They have planned to rescue the rest of all the people who are around 400 in the Lachung. So thank you all of them.
Thank you very much.
हम लोग 3 तारीख को लाचेन पहुंचे थे मंगन से. हम लोग ग्रुप थे 3 लोगों का, 3 राइडर्स. लाचेन पहुंचने के बाद रात को ये घटना हुआ 12:30 बजे लगभग. वो लेग ब्रेक हुआ था ऊपर के तरफ से, एंड उसके बाद से अफरा तफरी मची थी. उसके बाद फिर ये हुआ, अगले दिन हमें ये पता चला कि कई जगह लैंडस्लाइड्स हुए हैं, कई जगह ब्रिजेस कोलैप्स किए हैं. सो कनेक्टिविटी इज़ कम्प्लीटली ऑफ, लाइक रोड वाइज कनेक्टिविटी इज़ कम्प्लीटली ऑफ. विद इन अ डे और टू वी गॉट टू नो दैट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली देयर विल बी एन एयरलिफ्ट दैट विल बी हैपनिंग, राइट. एंड इन द मीन टाइम आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन दैट द फैक्ट दैट कि सिक्किम के जो लोग, द पीपल ऑफ लाचेन, द वे दे हैव come forward and help all the tourists, not just the tourists, even the laborers, everyone. Like, कोई discrimination नहीं, कुछ नहीं. Everyone was helped out. I'm really thankful to them, and that's what makes me feel confident to visit Sikkim again, because of the people of Sikkim and Lachin specifically. Now, and then again, thanks to Indian Army, Indian Air Force for getting us airlifted. It was a tough 9 days, a matter of 9 days, right? Those were some really tough 9 days. But then again, the people of Lachin and Indian Army all came together to make it easy and make it one hell of a journey and memory. So thank you all, guys. Thank you Sikkim government. Thank you Indian Air Force.